SUNTABLE, the world's only solar-powered induction charging table with 360 degrees of sound by JBL. SUNTABLE is the ultimate outdoor companion, allowing you the freedom to charge, chill, and play your music anywhere you go. Designed to live either inside or out, SUNTABLE provides a constant source of renewable energy for your phone, other devices, and its built-in Bluetooth speakers, meaning you'll never have to bring speakers outdoors again. SUNTABLE's induction charger is cleverly located beneath the table, keeping your phone out of sun's way and cool as it charges. And if you don't have an induction charging device, no problem. SUNTABLE also charges via USB. Elegant yet resilient, SUNTABLE not only pleases the eye, but can also endure the uses and rigors of everyday life, including water, so you can safely use it at the pool or at the beach. Basically, SUNTABLE can go wherever you go. By combining a table, solar power, induction charging, and music into one device, we believe we can improve human life outdoors while at the same time improving the planet. So that's SUNTABLE. Please let us know what you think, and if you can, give us a hand. We'd love to inspire you.
You run. That's where you get your energy from. Even though you're running, you don't want to miss a single call from your loved ones. When you receive a call, click the button on Signal, place your finger to your ear, and answer the call. Signal tracks your workout throughout the day. Signal measures how many steps you walk or run, distance, and calorie consumption. You can check these through the Signal app. By simply changing your watch strap, you can connect Signal to your smartwatch. It will make your smartwatch even smarter. Have an important appointment or business meeting and don't want to miss your important app notification? Don't worry, you can stay connected throughout the day. All you need to do is open the app and tap the apps that matter. When you're holding something with two hands and unable to answer or block calls with your phone, don't panic. It's simple and immediate with Signal. Without wearing any extra devices, you can hear the phone call clearly. Signal is not just a smartwatch strap for a smartwatch wearer. Upgrade your classic watch to a hybrid watch and enjoy fingertip calls. Enjoy fingertip calls whenever and wherever you are. Life is too short to spend enough time with your loved ones. Don't miss having time to talk with them. Call Reminder reminds you to call them and manage your relationships more effectively. Take a call easily with
So I can tilt my head forward, back, left, and right to make the drone do exactly the same. I can put 2 fingers out to make a peace sign gesture. It lets the drone go up, down, and spin around. Oh dear God. Okay, it's very scary.
Ah! Can we? So what we're doing is we're controlling a Sphero ball by sending Bluetooth commands from this device. All you need to do is tilt the device forward to make the Sphero go forward, and you rotate it to make it go a different direction. So you can do things like walk it like a dog, or drive it off a sweet jump and catch it in your hand. It's not possible.
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2. The most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the BOSMA Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The BOSMA Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the BOSMA Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver. The BOSMA Aegis is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind.
Yeah, music.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Goddamn, it's damn clear. I didn't expect it to be this clear.
Place your hand like that, just like this.
And I can hear music.
On and off is that?
Yeah. And then one turns on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That's very cool.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Holy shit, that's really cool, man. That's how this works.
Incredible, I feel like James Bond.
Hello?
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 Remind me to pick up Alex 9.
Slideshow mode.